Thunder students, Mr. Williams here. Real quick walkthrough of Pearson. Been getting a lot of emails. We're having some complications with that. So some input here on how to potentially navigate through some of those issues. So first, I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what it looks like on my Pearson. So when I log in, this is what it looks like from my vantage point. You probably see tabs in a very similar fashion: browse, class, data. You're going to want to access everything for government through the classes tab. Okay, make sure you're accessing it through the classes tab. Those assignments that I applied to you correctly logged in the system through the classes tab. All right. What it should look like is something like this. Okay. Now you should have a not started, an in progress. Let me see if I can get my pin option here. Is it going to let me use it? Probably not. Well, we'll use the box here. Not started, in progress, and completed. Okay, that's what it should look like from your vantage point. New stuff that's assigned to you will be in a not started. Okay, again, not through browse, all right, but through classes. That's how you're going to access that material. Some of you are accessing it through classes, and you're completing it, and it's still logging as in progress, or it's not allowing you to submit. It keeps asking you to turn into your teacher over and over and over. If that's the case, okay, just make sure you take a screenshot of what you have completed. All right, you can do it right there inside the assignment itself towards the end, or go back to this page, okay, and click on in progress and just click on the assignment. It'll give you a little drop down and it'll show everything that's been done. All right. So you should be able to access everything again through classes in Pearson, not browse. Okay. If you go through browse, I don't think it logs it in the system. Okay. It doesn't apply it to the assignment that I assigned to you. So make sure you're going through classes. If you're still having issues and it's not logging it in the system, screenshots, baby. Screenshots of stuff that's in progress or completed. So I get the percentage. I see what you got on the assignment overall. I see which individual assignments are in progress or completed. I want to see that. Okay, so shoot me screenshots, email me screenshots of that, and we'll get you a grade in the gradebook for the Pearson stuff if it's not cooperating with you. Okay, so a little walkthrough here. If you still got questions, don't hesitate to contact me.